I'm Gregory Lyons. I'm 55 years old. I'm a man. What am I doing on YouTube? Well, I'm here to tell you young ladies and gentlemen about society, about culture, about things that are really important and I think you should take notice of. And what makes me an authority? Age, life on the planet, maturity. I've seen this. I've been through all this. The first thing I want to address is the Sam Pepper character, feeling up women on the street. And then trying to pass it off and say it was a social experiment. Yeah, it was an experiment about how much can I get away with because I'm a pseudo-celebrity and without being punished or arrested by the authorities for sexual harassment. Now, let's just hold that thought. But I want to also look at society today. Look at our sex culture. Look at everything about sex. What's the current most popular video? If I say Anaconda, would you think of Nicki Minaj's ass? If I say booty with Jennifer Lopez and Iggy Azalea's ass, it's sex, it's sex, it's sex. We are bombarded with sex, and rightfully so. I mean, we have sex drives. Sex drives exist to perpetuate the species, but advertisers are cashing in on sex. Sex culture. We got clothing that, reveals your body, makes you, you want to be desired. Women want to be desired. Okay. Now, on the flip side, celebrity, we're a celebrity worshipping culture. If I say Miley Cyrus, if I say Justin Bieber, if I say Kanye West, Kim Kardashian, you immediately recognize these names. Why? They're famous, they're celebrities, you worship them, you want to know what they ate, whose baby they had, where they went, what they were wearing. Your own life is so fixated on these people, these celebrities, that you elevate them to the point where they make millions of dollars. They become an industry. They're not even a human anymore. They're just a market. And YouTube knows this, and Google knows this. The Sam Pepper character has 2.1 million followers. That's 2,100,000. That's 4,200,000 sets of eyes watching his silly videos. And yes, I dismiss them as silly, but then, it's entertainment. Entertainment, by its very nature, is a distraction. Okay? And we live in an entertainment-based culture, especially America. Most people are just, that's what fulfills their lives. So a young, impressionable girl sees this clown Sam Pepper turn up in a local, spot to do his little comedy show. But outside of it, he picks her up, he brings her to his hotel, he has his way with her, he does whatever he wants. And she feels victimized, and rightfully so. But let's, flip that around. I mean, in this schmacked culture where where girls, young women get wasted and see promiscuity as power over men, or appeal, or love, if anything. Maybe they mistake it as love. It's not love. Let's look at the word object, or object. Same word. Sam Pepper looks at women as an object. And by that I mean, he doesn't see you as a person with your name, you're Jessica, whatever. No, you're a mouth, you're tits, you're a vagina, you're an anus. You're an object for him to have sexual gratification with. And then be gone. And if he bumped into you on the street after that, he may vaguely remember you or not remember you at all, because he didn't see you as a person. But you are a person. We're all people, and we are all celebrities. Believe it or not, you're a celebrity in your own mind. Who do you wake up and who do you see every day? Who are you familiar with? You. What is this medium that I'm putting this video on called? YouTube. And you have a right to dignity, to be treated as an individual and not an object. And the word object means you should protest. You should just realize that every human on this planet has a right to dignity as an individual, as a human being. But the society is so hell-bent on celebrity that we give them power of gods. Like, oh, my humdrum, dismal, dreary life has been so enhanced by meeting you, I'll just let you use my body for whatever you like. Well, no, that shouldn't be the case. Snap out of it, people. It's an illusion. It's an illusion. Why am I wearing a cowboy hat? Because I'm the sheriff here, and I'm trying to set you straight so you don't fuck up your lives. I'm 55. I've been through it. I've been a teenager. I've been in my 20s, my 30s, my 40s. I've seen it all. Ain't nothing new. It's predatory. Okay? Remember Chris Hansen in that show? Hi, Predator. What brings you here today? There are people out there that will use your nubile bodies for their sexual gratification. And they take advantage of the fact that that they see the stars in your eyes. They see that you're willing to let them do whatever they want to you. And it's wrong. But it's wrong because of misguided important, the priorities in this society. Money is important, sex is important, celebrity is important. But it's not lasting. It's just life itself. You know, we're just here for a brief flash. So don't let some clown like Sam Pepper, and then tries to say it was a social experiment. Oh no, you see, and even the guitar in the background really got to me, like, doo, 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 doo. So many men are abused by women and nothing gets said. Yeah, all right, right? He's bullshit. It's a bullshit statement. You have to stand up for yourself. You have to see through the illusion of celebrity. We're all just people. I mean, just imagine every one of these celebrities that I mentioned, Iggy Azalea, Jennifer Lopez, Nicki Minaj, Justin Bieber, Miley Cyrus, they all have to pull their pants down and sit on a toilet and excrete. They all eat food, they all breathe air, you cut them, they all bleed. We're all just humans, people. See beyond the illusion of celebrity. Respect yourself. You are a celebrity. I am a celebrity.